People always say home is where the heart is. Oh, that sounds cliche. I would rather say home is where you park it. I wonder where we're sleeping today. Many times we've heard there's no place like home, but nobody gets hurt by traveling the world. Home is where you park it, so we can be as free as a bird. We're driving our home like a rolling stone, but we never feel alone. Home is where you park it. I wonder where we're sleeping today.
Today we thought we'd switch gears and get ourselves to an RV park right here on the beach. Beautiful spot.
Yeah, last night we spent the night out in the mountains. We packed our bikes up with camping gear, tents, slept out under the stars. Beautiful night. One of the best things about e-bikes is you really leave nothing at home.
That means cold beer, duck confit pasta, and a great Bordeaux blend.
Cap Franc. What a great.
So today we're at an RV park, which is a great spot with e-bikes because they have power outlets and you can charge up your bike. So let's go over to camp and have a look at what we got going on.
People always say home is where the heart is. Oh, that sounds cliche. I would rather say home is where you park it. I wonder where we're sleeping today.
Well, Davey, what do we have going on here?
Well, we got two different ways to charge your bikes. This is a typical setup. You've got, this is your secondary battery that you could have, but it works with your normal battery. This is a normal RV 30 amp service. You can see it's got three prongs, different than the prongs that come on your charger. So if you're in an RV park, you'll need one of these adapters to charge your bike, and then it's straightforward. The other thing we're working on is pretty exciting. This is direct solar to lithium battery. We've got a charge controller here that we've been testing. I don't want to show it to you just yet, but it's pretty exciting. So that means you're boondocking, no power anywhere, direct from solar to your battery. That would be a coup.
That's the real bike life. Experience freedom. Keep riding.